Hello everyone, I'm Sharita with Unique by Sharita. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new and like my videos, please hit that subscribe button and turn your notification on so you will get notifications of when I post videos. This is a small guest bedroom refresh. I am using the same bedding but flip-flopping the comforter and the coverlet and adding a few different new pillows to update the space. There's a few new pieces which include a silver curtain rod I got from the Home Goods and spray painted it gold. You can see that I'm removing the tape that I used to protect the crystal knob. I DIY'd the little pink and gold pumpkins that you'll see later in the video, as well as the mirrors and the lamps that were also DIY makeovers. I'll link those videos in the description box. So I'm just going to tell you all how I hang my pictures. So basically I'm going to take the picture and kind of eyeball where I want the picture to be on the wall. So I'm just eyeballing it using the door frame as reference. Then I'm going to use some tape and go across the width of the picture and use that tape on the wall. And on the wall, I will use the level. As you can see, the tape is going to be crooked, but the level will be used to level out the width of the picture. I'll use a marker or a pencil and mark the spot where I'm going to put the nail at on the tape. So that's what you see me doing. That's the easiest way for me. Instead of writing on the wall, I'm actually writing on the tape. The tape is my marker from point A to point B, so there you have it, and I did the same thing for the next picture. Alright, I got the last picture hung on this wall. I'm going to use the level to check and make sure everything is level. I can't believe I didn't have to hang it again. So these pieces I already had two. They were black. I spray painted them gold. And I went to Home Goods and they had a smaller one that was already gold. So I purchased it so I could have three on the wall. Later on in the video, I did adjust these on the wall. I moved one down because I felt like it was up a little too high once I stepped back and looked at it. So you may see an adjustment in the picture, but I didn't show me doing it on the camera. So just want to let you know. And also I'm going to go ahead and finish decorating the space. I won't do any more talking. Just if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And please, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks again for watching and enjoy the video. Have a great day.